It's very easy to learn structure of HTML. Structure is pretty same for every site. So why we are waiting then? Let's start learning HTML structure within 2 minutes. Hi, I'm Shama from thessup.com. Let's open the code editor. This is the structure of HTML. First doc type, second HTML opening tags, and followed by two main parts, that is head as well as body. Head is the non-visual content which makes the web page work, and it tells what the content is all about, and it contains metadata element which tells about encoding formats and descriptions of the document. Title is the one which appears on the top of the tab, and this head part contains some links for external style sheets and external JavaScript files. Whereas body contains all visual elements we can see on the web page, like heading, navigation, aside, addresses, footers, and main content. Let's summarize. This is the basic structure. Document type, head, and body. We will learn in detail about each of these in future lessons. In the next video, we will learn about doc types. What are the different doc types? Why it is needed? What it specifies? So, stay tuned to our channel and subscribe right now.